friends, welcome back to my Sichuan kitchen. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite dishes to order when I go to a Sichuan restaurant. I'll put some pictures on the screen and I always order it. It's so delicious. It's called sliced beef in hot and sour soup. If you're new here, my name's Yi and I share easy to follow Asian recipes that you can cook at home. Today we're going to use 3 simple ingredients to make the soup hot and sour. The number 1 ingredient is called yellow lantern chili sauce. Yellow lantern chilies are a kind of chili produced in Hainan in China. This sauce is spicy and sour and it will add a lot of flavor to your soup. Number 2 ingredient is pickled green chilies. You can use pickled jalapeno chilies as a substitute or any other kind of pickled chili to add the spicy and sour to your soup. The number 3 ingredient is our handy vinegar. Add it to your taste. So now let's get started. First, let's take out some yellow lantern chili sauce. I'm using 4 tablespoons today, but 2 to 3 tablespoons is sufficient if you don't want your soup to be too spicy. Next, we're going to take out some pickled green chilies. These chilies are sour and spicy. Cut them into smaller pieces for later use. Next, let's prepare the vegetables and the aromatics for this dish. For vegetables, we have bamboo shoots, enoki mushrooms, and some sweet potato noodles. It's a very standard combination for this dish, but you can add any kind of vegetables you like, such as wood ear mushrooms or bok choy, anything you like. For aromatics, we have some Thai chilies, a piece of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, and a small bunch of cilantro. Cut open the bamboo shoots. These come pre-boiled and you can simply add them to your dishes. Use a paper towel to remove excess water. Slice the bamboo shoots in half. Then slice into quarters. Gently tear them apart. The bamboo shoots are tender and crunchy. They are a lovely ingredient to add to the soup. I highly recommend them. Next, we're going to soak some sweet potato noodles. Cut off the ends of enoki mushrooms and throw away the bottom part. Separate the enoki mushrooms, set aside. I also got some Thai chilies and we're going to slice them into small pieces. They're used for decoration later. Prepare some minced garlic and finely chop an equal amount of ginger. Finely chop some cilantro for garnish later. Today we're using sliced beef. You can typically find these in Costco or Asian grocery stores. Bring a pot of water to boil. Blanch the enoki mushrooms for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Take them out and add to the serving bowl. Cook the bamboo shoots in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes. Take out and add to the serving bowl. Next, cook the noodles per instruction and add to the bowl. Now we're going to blanch the beef slices. Take the beef slices out right after they become pink in color. Do not overcook them because we will cook them again later. Set aside for later use. In a pan or wok, add some cooking oil. Drop in minced ginger and half of the minced garlic. Fry until fragrant. Drop in yellow lantern chili sauce and pickled chilies. Stir well. Add cooking wine via the side of the wok. Now add bone stock or water. Bring to a boil and cook for 5 minutes. Season the soup with white vinegar and a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Add the beef slices back to the soup. Bring to a boil and turn off the heat. Add all the beef slices and the soup to the serving bowl. Top with chopped Thai chilies and the rest of the minced garlic. Pour smoking hot oil on top. Garnish with cilantro. And here it is, sliced beef in hot and sour soup, or Suan Tang Fei Niu in Chinese. This dish is spicy, sour, and fragrant. The beef is covered with beautiful flavors of the soup. On top of that, you get all the delicious veggies and noodles to eat with the beef. It is a full flavorful enjoyment. Alright guys, now our favorite part, the taste test. The soup looks golden and the beef slices, they just look so perfect and so tasty. So now let's give it a try. Firstly, I want to try the bamboo shoot. Look at that. It's so crunchy and so tasty. If you never had bamboo shoot before, you gotta try this. Let's try a sliced beef. The beef is so tasty, so flavorful, covered with all the juice in the soup. And the enoki mushrooms, they're the best. And my favorite part of this dish is actually the noodles. They're so good to eat in the soup. It's such a sensory pleasure when you eat this spicy and sour flavor via all these ingredients. If you're like me who love this hot and sour flavor, you gotta try this dish. This is guaranteed a crowd pleaser and everyone will love this. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed it and send it to your family and friends who enjoy this recipe as well. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new delicious Sichuan recipes. I'll see you next time.